While the market continues to inspire optimism, one investing billionaire guru is saying slow your roll. Billionaire Steve Cohen told employees of his investment firm, Point72 Asset Management, to use caution with the market's rebound. Cohen wrote to his employees, markets don't come back in a straight line. After an earthquake, there are tremors. We need to continue to be disciplined. We are seeing plenty of opportunities to generate returns, but I don't want us taking undue risks. This is good advice from the billionaire. Investors should take note as the legendary stock picker has the track record to back up his reputation. So, what has Cohen been up to? Well, based on the most recent 13F filing disclosing Point72's recent buys, Cohen has made three purchases in the healthcare sector. He bought Verastem, Insmed, and Amicus Therapeutics. Today, we're going to focus on Amicus Therapeutics, but if you look at the charts for Verastem and Insmed, you'll find an interesting pattern for all three. Spoiler alert, the purchases by Point72 fits well within my system. So, let's take a look. Amicus Therapeutics is focused on delivering therapies for people living with rare metabolic diseases. With a jam packed development pipeline, Cohen gave the company's stock a nod of approval. This was a new acquisition for Point72 when it recently picked up over 2 million shares. Amicus exceeded revenue expectations for the first quarter of 2020. Company management also reiterated that revenues continue to track towards full year 2020 guidance of $250 to $260 million. Amicus has increased its focus on cost management while being committed to product development. This has helped turn the corner for the company. The cost savings also helped limit any economic impacts from the coronavirus and has allowed its cash runway to extend through the second half of 2022. Amicus products remain on track with manufacturing and supply intact globally. So, what does Wall Street think about Amicus Therapeutics? It appears that analysts have high hopes for Amicus. There are 5 buy recommendations and 1 hold recommendation. Apparently, the word on the street is that the stock is a strong buy. Moreover, there's an average price target of $20.58 per share, which indicates good upside potential. So let's take a look at our charts for Amicus. We're looking at the monthly chart for Amicus Therapeutics, and the chart goes back to 2007. And as you can see, there's a general trend here looking like this with a downtrend. And then the cycles got tighter with the uptrend, the downtrend, an uptrend, back down here, and it looks like we may be heading into an uptrend. Now, as you can see, it's a step up. Here's the first step, next step, and then the third step. So things are moving in a stair-step fashion, hopefully on their way up. You can see that here too in the Mac with this step here, this step there, and this step here. What's important about this last step is the fast line has moved through the slow line here near the 0 line, and it's about to go through. So you can see that here too on the histogram with that downturn and upturn here, moving on up and just passing through the 0 line on the histogram. Same sort of pattern here on the price rate of change. Nice bottoming and basing there. And here as well, with the fast line moving through the slow line back in late 2019, we're now near that 0 line. Into the relative strength index, same thing. Very nice bottom basing patterns that we've seen here at least 3 times over the several year period. Moving on down here into stochastics, again, the same thing. The stair-step fashion, this bottom here, this is slightly higher, and again, slightly higher once more, near the 50 or midline heading on up. Also, Williams, same thing. So most of these oscillators are showing very good patterns. Now, going on back up here to the price chart, we have had this run up here. And according to Cohen, he is saying, be patient. So I'm telling you, be patient, be prudent, pick your spots. And for today, that's ChewDog Charts. Thank you.